my God, you're not pregnant again. Oh no.
Zaktak, you have a title match. Where are you going?
Not staying here.
Again? What is wrong with Zaktak?
Thank you so much for this opportunity, Kurt. I won't let you bend over, let you down.
Kurt! Zaktak just left! What the hell's going on?
Yeah, I don't know. Zaktak just left. I don't understand. That's very unprofessional of him. I'll have to deal with him later. As for you, Firecracker, I guess Zaktak forfeits his match. I guess Firecracker are now naming you the #1 contender for the Fightline World Championship. You are in the main event tonight.
Good. Tonight, the title is mine.